Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Weebly website. First, head over to Weebly.com and sign up for a free account. It's a straightforward process, requiring just an email and a new password. Next, you'll choose the type of website you want to create, whether it's for personal use or a business. Then, select a theme from their extensive library. This will be the foundation of your site's visual appeal. Remember, you can always customize it later. Now for the fun part, designing your site. Weebly's drag-and-drop editor is incredibly user-friendly. You can easily add various elements such as text boxes, images, and videos by simply dragging them onto your page. Feel free to customize your chosen template by changing colors, selecting different fonts, and experimenting with layouts. You can also add new pages and sections to structure your website, ensuring a clear and engaging user experience for your visitors. With your layout in place, it's time to fill your website with compelling content. Add engaging text, upload high-quality images, and embed videos to make your pages dynamic. Weebly allows you to integrate various features, from simple contact forms to sophisticated photo galleries, and even a full-fledged online store. Don't forget to explore the Weebly App Center, which offers hundreds of applications to extend your site's capabilities, adding everything from advanced analytics to social media feeds. The final steps involve preparing your site for launch. First, connect a custom domain name to give your website a professional and memorable address. This is crucial for branding and easy access. Before going live, take a moment to thoroughly review every page, ensuring all content is correct and links are working. Once you are completely satisfied, simply click the blue Publish button in the top right corner, and your Weebly website will be live for everyone to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.